Dennis Hernandez from COBAIT, Managing Director. I talk very fast. At COBAIT, our mission has always been to enable businesses to succeed by leveraging the power of technology.
So I want to talk about BizTRAQ, which is again something that we came up with. We decided what we want to do as a solution for our existing customers.
I've asked the question, it's isolated a document. It's smart enough to know as I continue to ask questions that I'm referring to that document.
They go ahead and use BizTRAQ to do all their applications. All our contracts are signed through BizTRAQ, that solution.
The presentation and business model is fantastic.
COBAIT did a phenomenal job.
Great to understand what's happening in the medical world, especially because of the HIPAA constraints.
What a fantastic event we had today. We talk about the launch of COBAIT, BizTRAQ, TRIULTA.
TRIULTA or BizTRAQ is a really good solution for businesses.
And the BizTRAQ team, good luck for the future.